Welcome to step one of your AVA onboarding journey, choosing your niche. In this video, we'll walk through how to define a clear vertical like real estate, financial services, or home improvement, and why that decision shapes every part of your automation setup. From campaign messaging to calendar flow, choosing your niche is the foundation for success. Before you build anything, take a step back and define who you're selling to. Picking a focused niche, say roofers, insurance agents, or business coaches, so you can focus your efforts. A focused campaign towards a niche resonates more, your sales pitch will be stronger, and your systems can be designed to serve that audience perfectly. This is your market, and every successful agency starts here. A common mistake many new agencies make is trying to target too many types of clients right from the start. There's nothing wrong with expanding later, but doing it without experience usually leads to scattered results. If you haven't figured out how to succeed with one type of client yet, what makes you think it'll work across 10 different ones? The key is don't be afraid to start small. Focus on learning what works, refining your systems, and building momentum. Chasing too many markets too early usually means your message doesn't land with anyone. Once you've chosen a niche, ask yourself a few key questions to set your system up properly. What automations do I need for this type of business? What should their pipeline stages look like? How will their clients book appointments, so calendar integration, availability, reminders? What information do I need to collect from leads to make the calls effective? These answers will shape your snapshot, your AVA project configuration, and your onboarding process. Let's say you're targeting roofing contractors. You might name your project 20K Roofer Recovery and build the campaign around helping roofers recover $20,000 in lost revenue every 30 days. Your value pitch, call scripts, and AVA's messaging should all tie back to that promise. For example, the AI could say, "We help roofing companies like yours recover missed revenue by never missing a call and booking more estimates." If you were targeting med spas instead, your pitch might focus on increasing bookings or reducing no-shows. Keep it simple, specific, and focused on a clear business result your niche cares about. For each niche, you may want to define custom fields and go high level, like lead type, service needed, or location. These make it easier to segment your contacts and trigger the right automations. Using AVA Voice AI's smart actions and triggers, you can then leverage this captured information to launch personalized outbound calls or follow-up sequences, whether it's based on a form submission, a booking intent, or lead qualification data. If you haven't checked, part 2 of our agency onboarding course covers technical information such as the smart actions and triggers in case you need it. If you're not sure where to start, pick a niche that you already have some connection to. That might mean you've worked with them before, have a few warm leads already in your inbox, or even just ran a test ad that got responses. Don't waste time trying to find the perfect niche. You don't need to boil the ocean. All you need is a place to start where you can get some traction. The reason this matters so much is because your first niche becomes your learning ground. It's where you figure out your outbound pitch, your follow-up flow, and your fulfillment system. If you try to serve 5 different industries at once, you'll end up constantly rebuilding your automations, rewriting AVA scripts, and explaining your offer from scratch every time. This slows you down and kills momentum. So instead, focus on one vertical. Maybe it's real estate agents, local contractors, solar coaches. Pick one and commit to learning what makes that market tick. What kind of messaging resonates with them? What services do they actually want? What outcomes can you consistently deliver? Start small. A few booked calls is enough. The goal is to prove that your system works from end to end, outreach, booking, calling, follow-up. And once you've got that dialed in, you can expand into other niches much more easily. But if you don't get it working for one, it's not going to magically work for 10. You'll hear this over and over from experienced agency owners, done is better than perfect. Put the gloves on and get to work. Pick a starting point, build a system, refine as you go, and scale once you've proven it works. That's it for step 1. Your niche defines your entire client journey, so take the time to get it right. Once that's done, you'll be ready to build your customized snapshot in step 2. If you need help along the way, visit help.thinkrr.ai or reach out to us at hello@thinkrr.ai. We're here to support you.